Hi guys, welcome back to the Call Factory. It's Raquel. Today's Let's Talk is going to be on iWori, and I've been wanting to do this Let's Talk for a while, but I don't really know how to put it into words. Have I tried the products? Yes, I have. Have I rebought the products? No, I haven't. And I guess that's how the Let's Talk series started for me, and how I was thinking of really trying to put this on camera. I try a lot of products, I use them, I do videos on them, I review them, and then it really does come down to repurchasing, because you can buy something once, but if it's really that good, won't you buy it again? So let's talk. I first saw iWori at the Clicks Coles in Johannesburg 2019, I think it was, and they gave out nice samples. The sample sizes were like this big. I loved the aesthetic of the brand. I loved the way that it looked, and I gave my samples away, but the brand stayed in my mind, so I went out to Clicks and I bought the Marula line, and I did a video on it, and the video caught, and a lot of you guys went out and bought the products. The leave-in lotion was an absolute hit with every single one. I mean, the FOMO for iWori was definitely there. You couldn't find them on the shelves. Everyone was running out. It was iWori, iWori, iWori. And that was cool, but in all honesty, after I did that video on the iWori Marula line, I was a little bit over the brand. But as someone who has a channel where I review products, people kept asking me about the shampoos and the masks. So I was like, cool, no problem. I went to Clicks and I bought the other shampoos and I bought some of the masks. My favorite was the Baobab line. That shampoo, I will buy it again. Out of everything in the entire line, Rooibos, there's Marula, the Baobab line, I'd buy the shampoo again. And I hope that I can explain this to you guys just a little bit. When I did the video on the Marula line, it did impress me. I was like, oh, this is nice. And the curl lotion was nice. But then I kind of noticed that the products were sitting on my shelf. Some of you might say, Raquel, you're always trying out new stuff. There's obviously going to be products that you're not going to use again. And the answer to that is honestly no. Wash day is something I do think is quite personal. I do share my wash days with you on camera, but I love the days that I don't have to film. And I can just have my wash days by myself and deep condition and lay on the couch or do some stuff that I need to do, but I do share them with you, and that's okay. And I finish my products. If I don't give them away, I finish them. I'm somebody who doesn't just talk about a product. I will use it. I will finish it. You know, that's really, how I like to use products. And so the shampoo and conditioner, I was happy to bless someone with it. The curl lotion, I used it again, and then I was like, my hair doesn't need this. In terms of, it's not a styler for me. It's something I'll put under a styler, but then it's a step that I don't really want to do. So the lotion was sitting there. So then I said to myself, okay, Raquel, like, you need to actually continue using the product. So then I started refreshing my hair with the product, and then it would be a little bit too thick for refreshing, but then I kind of finished it, and then I had another one. And in my haul a few videos back, there was a full one that I had and have had in my stash about 6 months, and I've had no desire to use it. So then I was like, am I going to buy any of the shampoo and conditioners again? No. I might buy the Baobab one for winter. The masks, I've tried the masks. The masks, it's just the price. Okay, I'm jumping around a bit, but that sachet, one sachet is not enough for my type of hair. It's a bit expensive. I've got to buy 2 sachets. So just based on the price point for the masks, I'm not going to buy it. Do I think that they were amazing? No. A little bit above average for me, but still not going to make it into my top 5 best hair masks. Also, going back to price, I think price also has a lot to do with it. You buy it, you like it, you use it. iWori is nice. Am I going to go back after 2 months and spend that amount of money? Or are all of us waiting for a 3 for 2? Because if you like a product, you will invest in it. If your hair likes it and you're using it, something that you actually will. Now for me, the products that I really like, I will spend my money on it and I'll buy it. You might not know that I went and bought it again and then repurchased it again, but I know exactly what it is that I will spend my money on. To wrap up this Let's Talk, if you love iWori and it's really one of your favorite products, that's awesome, because as I said, I used it and I liked it. I'm just not buying it again, and that's something that worries me as a consumer with buying stuff. But the price point for me is just a bit expensive. 120 rand for a shampoo and a conditioner, and the masks are also a bit expensive. You can find products that might work just as well for a little bit cheaper, but then again, if it's your go-to, that's awesome. It's a wrap, guys. In the comments down below, let me know your favorite iWori product, if you repurchased it, if you only bought it once like me and then it was nice but maybe a little bit too expensive, or not something that you wanted to buy again. You know, just like, what is your experience with iWori? Because in this community, let's face it, we spend money on products. We can talk about them. So let me know, as I said, down below. We'll chat in the comments and I'll see you again. Take care.